welcome back to my channel. As you can see, it is Tatiana's box opening day, and I'm trying to adjust the camera and talk at the same time. But anyway, here it is. She is ready to be opened, so I am going to open her up. And see what's inside. So everyone knows by now that Markita Booker from My Sweet Baby Reborn Nursery has created her, and her link and information will be in the description box below if you're interested in getting a doll made of your own. So I'm going to start with all the goodies first, and then I will open up the baby. I'm just gonna take some stuff out, and I can see her at the bottom there. Okay. Right. I'll start with this box, and I hope you guys can see and hear me okay. Let's put this here. I am outside. I wanted to try to get the best lighting possible. So here we go. And I got my scissors. Oh my god, I see cute stuff. Aww. She got this cute heart sleeper. And this is 3 to 6 month size, so I'm pretty excited. I think she'll be able to fit all of Trinity and Tehya's clothes. This adorable little animal shirt. Aww. And the little matching animal onesie. This is really cute. I like the colors. So everyone's been messaging me all day trying to see had she arrived yet, and FedEx estimated that she would arrive by 8:00 p.m. So I'm so glad she didn't take that long, but it was a gruesome wait. It is now like 5:30. And I've been up since like 7:30 because I didn't know what time she was gonna come. Aww. This cute monkey onesie. So cute. Aww. And the little pants to match. Love it. These little velvet shoes are adorable with little bows. I'm sorry you guys if I'm like speeding through this. I want to see what she looks like so bad. I think I ordered her in May and everything just got finished up. So thank you to Miss Markita. She definitely took love and care and time into her. She was trying something new with her rooting process, and I know it's going to be absolutely fabulous. This is so cute. You know I love glitter. Oh, so much cute pink stuff. And I hope the lighting is okay. It's not the brightest. I didn't want to be in like direct sunlight because it's going to be hot. And these cute little pants. So I like the fact that some of these pieces I have, so now they can like be twins and triplets, all the babies together. I'm starting to really like matching outfits. And diapers. Oh, I love these little floral headbands that she gives with her babies. They're my favorite. I can't seem to find them anywhere, but just as well, they're special. Super cute. And last in this box, we have a little bracelet. And this was a pacifier sent to the artist to make sure the magnets match up. That way all the babies can share the same magnets. And this is the one she comes with. Super cute. Okay, that is it for that box. And I'm going to open this. What do you guys think this is? Because I do not know. Let's see. Oop, it popped right on out. A bottle. And that's so cute because it matches the giraffe theme on the onesie. So cute. And last but not least, this adorable little box. Let's see. Oh, look at this. Markita, you are just too much. This is so beautiful. I love this. Thank you so much. I was not expecting that at all. Oh my gosh, Mommy has a gift. Okay, next I am going to unwrap Miss Tatiana Lacey. So let me get her out the box. Oh wow, she is definitely a big girl. Let me try to clear up some space here. Alrighty. And I do believe this is her birth certificate information, care instructions, and here it is. Reborn birth certificate, Tatiana Lacey, born 8/27/2016 at 7:37 p.m., 7 pounds, 5 ounces, 23 inches long, created by Markita Booker. And she is the Maizie Sculpt by Andrea Arcello, number 604 out of 1,100. So she is a limited edition Sculpt. Super excited to have her in my collection. I don't even know if you can find this Sculpt on the market any longer. It was a miracle that I was able to get her. So appreciative of Miss Markita for doing this for me. Aww, it's the smallest things that fill my heart. She sent me the certificate of authenticity for this Sculpt. So you know she's legit. And it says right here in the corner, number 604 of 1,100. Aww. And of course, her lovely thank you card that I am not going to read out loud because I like my cards. They're always personal. So I am going to read that soon as the video is over to myself. And I know you guys are dying to see her, so I am just going to open her up. Okay, here's my scissors. She smells so good. I can smell her all the way through this wrapping. She smells baby good. Alrighty. Let's make sure I have the camera situated here. Hopefully everything is good. Okay. I am unwrapping her. You guys know I don't start at the feet and all of that because I am too impatient for that. So here we go. And of course, I knew she was gonna come with a diaper on her head, which is traditional. Keep her all protected. Oh my gosh, she smells so good. Okay, you guys are ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh my gosh, she is so adorable. Wow, I just love those eyelashes and her little expression. She is beautiful, and this hair is so soft, so silky smooth. And she has her little pierced ears. And she's so cute and brown. I love her. Her skin tone is beautiful. Markita knows exactly what she's doing. I'm going to take the camera down so you guys can get a close-up of what I'm seeing here. Oh, look at that hair. And of course, there'll probably be a details video very soon with all the information on her. Oh, her little hands. Her little outfit is so cute. Oh, she's so adorable. I can't wait to show my family. They're all waiting inside to see, because I skipped outside to do this video. So there she is, Miss Little Tatiana Lacey. Welcome to the Reborn family. And I got my camera out here so I can snap a couple pictures, and my phone so I can post to Instagram right away. And yeah, stay tuned because there will be several changing videos with her and her details video coming up soon. So thank you so much, everyone. I'm so excited. She's absolutely beautiful. Can't wait to cuddle her. Her body is so soft. I just love her already. Thank you so much, Miss Markita. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.